Homesteading is often associated with sprawling rural properties, vast gardens, and livestock. However, the desire for self-sufficiency and sustainability can be pursued even in the confines of an apartment. Apartment homesteading is about making the most of limited space and resources to cultivate a more self-reliant and sustainable lifestyle. We will explore how to homestead in an apartment, focusing on key aspects such as gardening, food preservation, resource efficiency, and community engagement. Before we get started, do you know anyone who homesteads in an apartment? Comment below, we would love to hear about it. Container gardening. One of the primary challenges of apartment homesteading is limited outdoor space. However, you can still grow a variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs in containers. Choose plants that are well suited to your space and lighting conditions. Herbs like basil and parsley, dwarf fruit trees, and compact vegetable varieties are excellent choices. Invest in quality potting soil and proper containers, and consider vertical gardening to maximize space. Balcony and window gardens. If your apartment has a balcony or windowsills, utilize these spaces for gardening. Hanging baskets, railing planters, and vertical wall planters can help create green oases even in small spaces. Additionally, consider installing shelves or racks near windows for more planting opportunities. Indoor hydroponics. For those without access to outdoor spaces, indoor hydroponic systems provide a viable option. These soil-less systems use water and nutrient solutions to grow plants efficiently. You can cultivate herbs, leafy greens, and even some small vegetables using hydroponics. Food preservation. Part of homesteading involves preserving food for the future. In an apartment setting, consider learning methods such as canning, dehydrating, and fermenting. These techniques can help you extend the shelf life of your homegrown or locally sourced produce. Composting. Even in an apartment, you can reduce waste and enrich your gardening soil through composting. Use a small compost bin with a lid to minimize odors and pests. Apartment-sized composting units are designed to fit in tight spaces and are perfect for composting kitchen scraps. Resource efficiency. Homesteading is also about minimizing waste and being resource efficient. Apartment homesteaders can embrace a minimalist lifestyle by reducing unnecessary purchases, reusing items, and recycling responsibly. Furthermore, energy and water conservation efforts can lead to reduced utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Community engagement. Apartment homesteaders can benefit from urban communities and shared resources. Engage with your neighbors to exchange surplus produce, share gardening tips, or even collaborate on community gardens in nearby vacant lots or common spaces. Urban gardening communities often provide valuable support and knowledge. Self-sufficiency mindset. Ultimately, apartment homesteading is as much about a mindset shift as it is about physical actions. Embrace a self-sufficiency mindset by seeking to learn new skills, adapt to challenges, and make the most of what you have. Recognize that even small steps towards self-sufficiency are meaningful contributions to a more sustainable future. Before the conclusion, is this something you would be interested in doing? Do you think it's possible where you live? Let us know in the comments. Conclusion. Apartment homesteading is a testament to the human capacity for adaptability and creativity. It demonstrates that the pursuit of self-sufficiency and sustainability is not limited by the size of one's living space. By focusing on container gardening, efficient resource use, food preservation, and community engagement, apartment homesteaders can take meaningful steps towards a more self-reliant and eco-conscious lifestyle. Through dedication and ingenuity, we can transform even the most compact urban apartments into thriving hubs of sustainable living.